There's one key skill that is going to kickstart your freelance career, I guarantee you. If you ask any successful freelancer what changed everything for them, you're probably going to hear a variation of a few different stories. Maybe it's when I landed that big client, when I finally raised my prices, or when I invested in this amazing course that gave me this skill set. But behind almost every single breakthrough, every single person who were able to expedite that process, there is one key skill that kickstarts all the momentum, and that is cold outreach. And before you jump off, before you freak out, it's not that type of cringy copy and paste, hey, can I work for you type of message. It's not the spammy spray and pray approach. It's not the awkward pitches that just makes everybody uncomfortable. I'm talking about a version of cold outreach that feels natural, human, and genuinely provides a ton of value. The kind of outreach that can take a freelancer from, I have no idea how to get to my next client, to I can create opportunities and land clients anytime I want. And this is a skill that is going to change the game for you and give you freedom over your time, over your income. And I'm going to break it down for you. The first thing to note is that most freelancers wait, but successful freelancers reach out. When you're just starting out, you probably don't have an audience, you don't have referrals, you don't have a portfolio full of case studies or a polished personal brand, and that is okay because I didn't start with any of those, because you have one thing that levels the playing field, which is your ability to simply reach out first. Cold outreach is you saying, I can help you, and here is how. And when done right, it is the fastest way to get your first clients, your first testimonials, and your first round of consistent income. And it's not about being pushy, it is being proactive. And here's why cold outreach works every single time. And people love to say like, oh, nobody responds to cold messages anymore. But I can tell you from personal experience, from being on both sides of the person sending them out to the person receiving it, that is only half true. Nobody replies to bad, generic, templated, really cold messages. But people do reply to messages that are thoughtful, personalized, specific, respectful, and genuinely helpful. Business owners like myself are drowning in problems all the time. And if you show up with something that literally solves one small but significant piece of the puzzle, you become a breath of fresh air and not an interruption. And this is a mindset shift you need to know about. That is not about you. The reason cold outreach feels really scary is because it feels like it's all about you. Will they think that I'm annoying? Will they reject me? Will I embarrass myself? But you just kind of got to flip your approach. Cold outreach is not about you at all. It is literally about the other person on the other side. What are their needs? What are their goals? What are their bottlenecks? What are their dreams, frustrations, their deadlines? Your message is simply a gift arriving at the right time. And when you focus on helping, not convincing, everything becomes so much lighter. And that is what makes cold outreach the one skill that literally changes everything. Number one is because it gets you the first real project. You don't need an audience. You don't need ads. You don't need 10K followers on Instagram. You just need one message that hits the right person at the right moment. And number two, it builds confidence fast. One conversation leads to another, one yes leads to the next yes. Momentum, it makes you brave, and it teaches you what the market actually wants. You will learn more from 2 conversations than you probably will from 20 videos about freelancing. And number 4, it builds your network. Even when the answer is no, not today often becomes, actually, we need someone maybe probably in 6 months, or maybe in 2 years, or it can lead to a referral. Like they might say, it's not for me at this stage, but hey, I know Daniel over there, he might need it, I'll connect you to. And number 5 is it trains you to communicate your value succinctly, clearly, and passionately. Good outreach forces you to explain what you do in a simple sentence, and that clarity, it spills into your content, your website, and all of your offers. So how do you do cold outreach the right way? Well, here's the version that works and actually feels good. Is step 1, just research for 3 minutes. Look at the website and note down these few things. 1, what are they doing well? And then another thing that you can help them improve on. And then 1 specific insight that you can mention. And then step 2 is to craft a value first message. Not like, do you have any work for me? But I noticed this specific thing and I thought that this might help. Step 3 is to lower the risk of the next step. For example, it can just be a 20-minute call, a free mini website audit, or simple suggestion, or this article, or this resource, or a small trial. Step 4 is to keep it short. Literally 4 lines of email is enough. People are really busy, so respect their time. And step 5 is to follow up gently. Most replies, it happens in the follow-up. And I think there's a stat that you need at least 8 follow-ups or something for most sales to happen. So take yourself out of it, but don't be pushy. Just a friendly nudge. And this is where most freelancers go wrong, is they wait to feel ready. They overthink what to say. They either never get started or they write paragraphs instead of delivering real value. And they make it about a sale at the end of the day instead of the solution. And that's where that desperate, pushy energy comes in. You also don't want to just send one message and never follow up. And the other thing is it's about quality, not quantity. Don't just target 100 random businesses. Just select, cherry pick the 5 that you can really help solve a problem for. Success in freelancing is never about quantity. It is about quality and consistency. And what happens when you actually put this skill in action? Something magical is that you stop waiting for permission. You stop waiting for luck to kick in. You stop waiting for someone to discover you, and you yourself become that momentum builder. You create your own opportunities. You can build a roster of clients who trust you, and you can escape that feast and famine cycle and finally feel like you have your career in your own hands. And if this still feels a little bit overwhelming, I'm actually hosting a live 10K Masterclass where I break down exactly how I tackled it, but also more than that, how I would approach it if I was able to go back in time 4 or 5 years to when I just started. What are the best practices I've learned from really tens and thousands of dollars worth of courses? I'm going to share it with you for free, and it's going to transform your entire approach to freelancing. I guarantee it. So if you want to join us, scan the QR code on the left. I'm going to break down exactly how you can get to your first 10K month, and it's really just 3 clients paying you $3,000 a month on a subscription and crafting that perfect proposal. It is really, really hands down going to change everything. Cold outreach, at the end of the day, it's not always easy, but the steps to follow are simple. And not just mastering it, but just getting started on it is your way of building this most highest return on investment skill that anyone can develop for themselves. It is the bridge between where you are now and where you want to go. It is the difference between, I hope someone reaches out, to, I know how to get clients anytime I choose to. And this is a skill, and it's going to transform your entire relationship with work, opportunity, and build so much confidence. If you enjoy this video, I know you're also going to love this one on the left right here. If you also enjoy listening on the go, we actually have a podcast version called the Brand Creator Podcast. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you next one. Bye.